Hello everyone, this is Dheeraj, the trainer of English, and today we are going to release a great video of personal interview. So I would like to call a student who will appear in the interview and who will face the interview in front of me. So first of all, I would like to call to appear in interview the name of the aspirant is Satyam Nath. Please Satyam Nath. Hello Satyam, how are you?
I am fine, sir. And how are you?
I am very fine. Okay, so you know that this is your interview. So first of all, what do you want to become in your life?
Yes, sir. I know this is my interview, and I want to become in my life is a bigger post employee,
Okay, so what type of post do you want to take in your life?
such as IITN, or the post that have that have an a great respect.
So you want respect in your life. Very good thing. Okay, my next question is why do you want to become IITN?
Because I become an IITN because it's my dream.
Okay. Everyone wants to become IITN because lakhs of the students appear in the examination to clear IIT exam, but few students can clear the examination of IIT. So you want to become an IITN. Suppose you have become IITN, and after becoming the IITN, how will be the beneficial for our country?
You say, sir, right? There is many less seats for IITN, but the students are joining this. The number of students is very much, but the students have set in mind that he want to become an IITN, and they try hard and work hard to become an IITN. But most of the students not selected, and they get lost his dream, and the matter how the IITN benefits our community or our country is that the IITN is of many types, and from the different types the IITN manage or help our country and our community.
Okay, definitely, but you must know that most of the viewers are watching us, and most of the viewers are also preparing for the examination of IIT. So, can you suggest them that how to prepare for IIT examination so that we can clear?
Most of the students are preparing for IIT, but most of the students not focus clearly on their goals, and they take it in a flyway. Flyway means the IIT exam is not hard, but it's not right. When you preparing the examination of IIT, you must have to focus only on your goals, and you must have prepare carefully, and you have to read 6 to 7 hours daily by self study and other by classes, and you must have to listen what's the teacher say in the classroom. That's
Okay, so you told us that how to prepare for examination. Okay, suppose most of the things are being happen nowadays that most of the IITians are going in the profession of teaching, because if you go in a big cities like in Patna, Kota, then you find that most of the teachers are IITian. So after becoming the IITian, why most of the IITians are taking the professional of teaching? Why? Have you any answer?
Yeah, I have the answer of this. The most of the IITN become the teacher because the post of IITN is very less, and many of the people say clear the examination, means the competition entrance exam of IITN, and they not and the students who not select in the entrance exam of IIT, and then it have a chance to become a teacher of IITian entrance examination. And most of the people who clear his IIT examination in his college life, and after that he don't get the enough salary or better salary as their post that they become. So they think that in teaching I get best salary by the teaching of an IITian.
Okay, well done, Satyam. You spoke very well. Your interview was very good. Fluency level was also good. Very good. Well done. Thank you so much. Well done. Satyam was in the interview and he was speaking very well. You all know that our motto is to improve English of students who join